Hey guys, it's Anna, and I just have a quick tip for you in Silhouette Studio today. I am going to post a tutorial showing how I made this mitten shape here out of some basic shapes. But first, I wanted to show you a quick tip about making copies. As I go through a project, I often need to copy a shape. And there are, of course, lots of ways to do that. You could right-click and do copy and paste. You could do Control-C and Control-V. You could make a duplicate of the shape by right-clicking. You could go to the Edit menu. But the quickest way to copy any shape is to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then drag a copy away. And you can see when I hold down the Alt key, it changes my cursor to an arrow with a plus sign. Anything that I drag with the Alt key down is going to make a copy, and I can even make lots of copies if I want to, as I repeatedly click and drag while I hold down the Alt key. So just wanted to show you that. It's a very quick way to make copies.